welcome to the another video. So this is the last video from this module, and we're being tackled by we've been solving a project that is secret project. First thing first, already you got to install the you got to change the directory to the secret project, and I've already done. Next thing is we got to install the node modules by npmi, and after that check out the solution what we're tackling so that we understand what we're doing, right? So that is nodemon index, not index, solution.js. This will do. Let's go to the let's go and check out localhost. This was the output we are trying to get. Whenever I'm hover over it, here this will show a random secret from the API, secrets API from the brewery. Here you can see I secretly eat ice cream straight from the tab when no one's looking. Here the user is user123. This is what you wanted to show. So let's get started. Let's go to the index. Here you can see that everything hints were mentioned to solve the problem. So let's get started. First need to import the Axios, and we're using Express also, so that we're gonna import both of them from Axios. Import Axios. Axios. Oh my bad, that's not the go. Import Axios from Axios. Okay. Next thing is import Express from Express. After that, body parts, I guess no need for that, but I'm gonna body parts. Okay, everything's done. After that, create an Express app. We already know how to create this, right? Const app equal to Express. This will do. That's all. And we already know that next step is app dot get and app dot listen. Here we're gonna pass. I forgot to put const port equal to 3000. Mm, Let me charge my phone. Okay, I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna say port location, and after the request, guest request dot result, and console dot log, and I'm gonna use uh, server is running on port. Okay, I gotta stop this server. And okay, the next step is uh, the next step say use the public folder for the static files. You already know that the files are statics that are not gonna be, cannot change them. Static files we cannot change them. In order to use them, we need to use them. To do that, app dot use express dot static and public. I guess this will do. And when the user goes to the home page, it should render the index.ejs. To do that, we're gonna whenever first thing we're gonna go to the home page. This is the home page. Result dot render. Oh my bad. Result request dot result. result. Hmm. Fools makes noise. Okay, next step is use Axios to get a random secret and pass it as index to EJS and display the secret and username of the secret. Listen to your predefined port and start the server. Here you go. Everything's fine. Start the server. I've already done that in the process of creating an app. Uh, so in order to use Axios, we're going to use modern syntax of Axios, that is a try and catch block. So first thing first, I'm going to create constant result. Uh, what it needs to do is to this needs to be asynchronous. Async. Okay. Await Axios dot get, and here needs to go to the web. My bad. This isn't. This needs to copy it, and I'm gonna paste over here directly, and I'm gonna directly give it to the random endpoint. This will do, and after that we got just result dot render the web page, name it index.ejs. Here you can see looks like we encountered another just because here we got give catch error. This will do. Okay, we lost that. So I gotta pass you know whatever we wanted to, we're gonna pass username and the secret. So first thing first, I'm gonna pass username. This needs to be an object, JavaScript object format. So username. So username user, uh, because I know you're using user and secret, that's why. In the but in the you know according to API, we got to, in order to access a user, we got to give username. So result dot data. This will gives the mm, what I say. This will give the data, but in data we want what we want is username. Okay, and secret result dot data dot secret. I guess this will do. Make sure everything's recording. Okay. Here I need to whenever we've encountered an error, I got to say result dot send result dot status 404. This was an error, and the send error dot message. This will do. Let's save it, and I'm gonna run the server node mon index.js. If this does working, so everything's fine. Let's go localhost 3000. This take a while, so because my internet connection is too weak. Mm, oh, looks like we've encountered from the beginning, huh? Looks like I've encountered an error. Maybe async request result enter index.js and username result.data. Don't understand. Mhm. Body parser is no use in this one. So what's the problem? Watching extension RS Axios Express, both of them were used, and port number fine and express. Is this is static dot express, huh? Let's check it. We find out the error. Here's the one. I made a typo. Random. RANDOM. So let's go to the server again. I'm just gonna refresh it. Yep, it's working. The you already got the username, and when I hover over it, it's showing I have a secret alter ego on social media where I post silly memes and jokes anonymously. And I'm gonna refresh it again. Isari discount hunter. And when I hover over it, I created a fake email address to sign up for all the free trials and discounts without getting spammed. So we succeeded uh, by creating this one. So I hope you guys have fun by creating this one. And we put our that we have learned from the beginning. I mean, beginning from the module, we learned everything that we have. Can't say how to. Okay, that's it for today, guys. In the next I mean, the module is completely finished, and there's a there's a portfolio project. I mean, we got to create a something like that. And we're going to be entering into that next. We're going to be entering into the new module where we're going to be creating our own API. So that'll be fun. So for all and more, I'll see you there. Let me show you the code. I forgot to show you. Only this is the only code we write over here, and this is style, and this is an HTML like in EJS. Here, secret and user, and so much of logic is written in the CSS. So here you go. Whenever I hover over it, the color of the text will be changed to the let's say change it to this color. So that's why we have been able to see it. Color transition, transition color. 1 second. Vision of okay. I hope you guys understand everything that we have done. Uh, we're not creating from the scratch. I mean, totally, because we're just focusing on backend and the concept that we are learning currently now. If we, I just don't want to, what is called. I just don't want to distract myself in the process of learning. So I'm just focusing on one thing at a time. I'm gonna focus on all things when I'm gonna create a portfolio projects. And what did they say? Some kind of project, whatever. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.